Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at Veracity and why I think it is so important to own 10,000 coins. And so there's a ton of catalysts for Veracity going forward, and I would like to go through a lot of the information and why I am so bullish on this cryptocurrency. And so if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion. And so we can see here that Veracity is currently ranked 352 on CoinMarketCap and has a market cap of around $157 million, with a circulating supply of 4.47 billion coins currently, which is 43% of the total supply. And so out of the $400 billion that is spent on online advertising, there is approximately 40% of that, or approximately $160 billion worth, that is seen by bots and not humans. And so this is a big issue. There's a lot of people spending money on advertising that is being wasted. And so there's over 2 million video publishers that are struggling with this problem. And so they do not want to pay for it because they are wasting their money on ads that are being seen by bots. And so even Google and Facebook have also had to return a substantial amount of money back to brands every quarter because ad fraud companies that detect fraud after the event are used by brands to justify clawing back their ad spend. And so this is a big issue that needs a solution. And so brands will pay up to 5 to 10 times more if they're convinced that fraud levels are low. And so Veracity is focusing on this with their technology of proof of view that they have been granted a US patent for. And so this is also another reason I am so bullish on this cryptocurrency. If we look at the overall cryptocurrency market, there's not that many cryptocurrencies that have a patent. And so Veracity has been trying to patent this technology in different countries as well. And so they are very strong on that, as they know they have something here that could be very good going forward. And so we can see some more information here on Veracity's patent here as well. This was published on June 24th this year. And so on the detection, the current standard is for analysis to happen after the content has been delivered and often towards the end of an advertising campaign. And so with Veracity, their technology detects ad fraud as it happens. Utilizing 200 touch points and AI, Veracity can determine with very high confidence whether a bot or human is watching an ad or content based on the viewer's behavior in real time. And there's no more waiting for post-delivery fraud analysis or requesting refunds from publishers. Ad fraud is detected and eliminated immediately. And so this is something that I think is very important for Veracity here. And I think this is something that is a lot different than other companies that are detecting fraud. And so that is what I would like to talk about, their partnership they have recently announced with BrightCove. And so BrightCove is a company that is focusing on advertising with over 3,000 customers in over 70 countries worldwide. And so BrightCove delivers the world's most reliable, scalable, and secure video technology solutions to media and enterprise organizations. And so of these 3,000 customers, a lot of these customers are sick of ad fraud, and so they do not want it anymore. However, they are using these different technologies that can detect the fraud. However, they are compensated after the fact, where Veracity is going to take care of this right when it happens, and so they will instantly be refunded right then and there. And so this is something that's going to be a lot different, and a lot of these companies that are partnered with BrightCove here are going to be tempted to give this a try. There's really nothing to lose, there's no downside, and so this is only in their benefit. And so if they do find success with that, we're going to see a lot of other companies jumping on board to try this technology as well. And so another reason I am very bullish on this cryptocurrency is because in addition to eliminating ad fraud, they're also using their technology for other opportunities. And so that's one other thing I really like about this cryptocurrency. Instead of just focusing on what they already know, they are trying to apply their technology that they have patented to other areas. And so they are focusing on NFTs as well, and they have also mentioned using this technology in the metaverse going forward. And so the proof of view can also solve today's NFT challenges by creating a transparent and immutable record of NFTs across its lifespan, from the way in which it was created, moved, modified, and stored to a possible destruction. Our patent filing covers all aspects of how NFTs can be created and manipulated, including in ways that are often overlooked or not yet in common practice. This is the forward-thinking coverage for an evolving asset class. And so the next reason for holding this cryptocurrency here is to earn some additional tokens by staking the coins using the VRA wallet. And so you can earn up to 25.55% APY just by staking these cryptocurrencies. And so the reason for holding at least 10,000 is because that is the minimum needed to stake this cryptocurrency. And so this is good through March 2022. And so if you're interested in that, definitely check that out as well. And so I'd like to take a look at some more information here on Veracity, showing how this benefits the viewers, creators, brands, and advertisers. And so normally a great piece of content gets shared organically and still soars as many people enjoy it. But that is not the case anymore. Due to the increasing amount of content released every day, it is challenging for great content to get noticed. This has led to many people falsifying the system by faking social proofs, and companies by buying ad bots that facilitate fake video views to monetize fake engagement. However, this leaves the viewers on the receiving end. Videos inflated with fake views are often disappointing and of poor quality. Many advertisers are still paying to run their ads on these popular videos, not knowing that their ads are only being viewed by bots, and so it does not benefit anybody here. And so this is where Veracity comes into place. And so by the process of eliminating fake views, the Veracity ecosystem is able to create a more valuable platform for viewers, creators, advertisers, and brands. And so for creators, it is finally a level playing field. By building a real engaged audience, you can grow the value of your content and be fairly monetized for it. And so the benefit for the viewers here is it is ensuring that the content that is recommended and surfaced has been seen and engaged by real users. Therefore, a true value of the content can be established, and the most appropriate content for the viewer is surfaced. And so you're not just getting any ad that is put out there because bots are watching these videos. And so it's going to be much more geared towards the individual rather than just random ads. We also have a benefit for the advertisers and brands as well. I think this is by far the best benefit for Veracity's technology, as your ads can get seen by real individuals, no more inflated metrics. You can get real views and real reach. Pay for what you get instead of fakes. And so you're actually getting what you are paying for. If you pay for 1 million views on an ad, you're actually getting those 1 million views by real people, rather than maybe 40% of those being viewed by bots, which is not going to do any good for the advertisement there. And so I think this cryptocurrency has a real use case they are focusing on, and they have a lot of utilization focusing on the ad fraud issue that is out there today. And so this is a huge industry. It is $400 billion that they are targeting on, and they have just partnered with BrightCove that has about 50% of that. And so they have about $200 billion of the total advertising. So this could do very well going forward. And so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.